everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a beautiful little 8-inch by 9-foot long packing table, of course in all stainless steel construction. Put a container on there to give you an idea of the speed. It does have variable speed, operating on 120 volt single phase through this control where you see right here. Of course, portable on wheels, nice polished finish, drive and tensioning device under here, and it does telescope up and down, as you can see from the legs on both ends. Could even angle it slightly. We have lots of conveyors and packaging equipment as well as processing in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.